Hello everyone, my name is Abdul Raja Fawwadil. I'm from the Informatik Majoring, class 15.2C.07 with NIM 15, 24, 05, and 03. On this video occasion, I want to discuss two topics. Topic number 1, software and operating system. Topic number 2 is hardware. Okay, let's discuss the first topic, namely software and operating system. Starting from the definition of software first. Software is a collection of several commands executed by a computer machine in carrying out its work. This software is a record for the computer machine to store commands, as well as a document and other archive. Software is electronic data stored in such a way by the computer itself. The stored data can be in the form of program or instruction that will be run by command or record needed by the computer to run the command it runs. To achieve this desired, a logical arrangement is designed. The logic that is arranged is processed through software, which is also called a program, along with the data is processed. Processing in the software involves several things, including the operating system, program, and data. This software is arranged in such a way that the existing logic can be understood by the computer machine. Types and kinds of software. Types and kinds of software are divided into three parts, namely number 1, operating system, number 2, programming language, number 3, application software. The first type of software is the operating system. What is an operating system? An operating system, or often abbreviated as OS, is the core software that functions as a link between computer hardware and other software. An OS is a system that allows users to interact with a computer directly. Without an operating system, or computer or digital device will not be able to function properly. How the operating system works? The way an operating system works involves various processes running simultaneously to keep the computer system stable. The operating system manages memory, process data, and manage the file system, allowing program to run smoothly. The operating system also functions to manage hardware so that it can be used efficiently. Function of the operating system. Number 1, process management. Process management is a function to regulate process running on a computer, ensuring that each application has the CPU access it needs. Number 2, memory management. Memory management helps allocate and regulate the use of computer memory so that application can run efficiently. Number 3, file system management. The operating system is responsible for managing data storage on storage devices such as hard disk. Number 4, device management. Managing input and output device such as a printer and keyboard is one of the main tasks of the operating system. Number 5, security and access management. Data security and user access are top priority of modern operating system to prevent misuse and cyber attacks. The most popular types of operating system. Number 1, Microsoft Windows. Microsoft Windows is one of the most well-known operating systems. Developed by Microsoft, Windows is easy to use and has many compatible applications. This makes Windows one example of an operating system that is widely used by users. Number 2, Linux. Linux is an open source operating system that is very popular among developers and servers. The advantage of Linux lie in the freedom of modification and high security. Number 3, macOS. macOS is an exclusive operating system for Apple device. The advantage of macOS lie in its elegant interface and stability in running creative applications. The second type of software is programming language. In general, programming language is a communication tool that bridges between human and computer. With this language, programmer can instruct a computer to perform various functions, including 1, data processing, such as calculation or grouping information. 2, application and software development. 3, automation of technical process for work efficiency. In order for the code to run correctly, programmer must follow the syntax rules that apply to the programming language used. The third type of software is application software. Application software is a subclass of computer software that utilizes the capabilities of a computer directly to perform a task desired by the user. This program is created by a programmer and has been customized to the need of its user. Example application software. 1. Internet browser. Example, Google Chrome is a cross-platform web browser developed by Google in 2008. Google Chrome is available for Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and iOS operating system. Mozilla Firefox is a free open-source web browser developed by the Mozilla Foundation in 2002. Opera is a free internet search browser developed by Opera. Number 2, antivirus. Kaspersky is an antivirus program developed by Kaspersky Lab. This program is designed to protect users from malware attacks on Microsoft Windows and Mac OS operating system, although there is also a Linux version for business consumer. Number 3, editing software. Adobe Photoshop is an image editing software made by Adobe System that is specifically for editing photos or image and giving effects. Number 4, communication software. 1. WhatsApp is a cross-platform messaging application that allows a user to exchange messages without credit because WhatsApp uses an internet data package. 2. Telegram is an online messaging application that is the same type as WhatsApp and Facebook Messenger, which means that user can use it to send message to users who are also registered for Telegram. Okay, now let's continue discussing the second topic, namely hardware. We start with the definition of hardware first. Hardware is a physical component or hardware that make up a computer system. Hardware can be touched and seen directly, unlike software that is not physically visible. Hardware components play an important role in running instructions from software so that the computer can work according to user command. Hardware is divided into several types, such as input device, output device, and storage device. Without hardware, software cannot be run because software requires physical media to be processed. 3, 4, hardware and software complement each other in a computer system. Hardware can also experience physical damage so that the routine maintenance is needed to keep it function optimally. Hardware function. The function of hardware in a computer are very broad and complex. Each type of hardware has a specific role in carrying out its task. Here are the main functions of hardware. Number 1, data processing. Hardware, such as the CPU or Central Processing Unit, plays a central role in data processing. The CPU is responsible for processing raw data provided by the user into useful information. Number 2, data storage. Hardware, such as hard drive and solid-state drive or SSD, are used to store data in various forms. This data can be in the form of document, application, and multimedia files. Storage devices are also divided into two main types. 1. Temporary storage, such as RAM, which is used to store data while the system is active. 2. Permanent storage, such as a hard drive that stores data even when the computer is turned off. 3. User interaction with the system. Hardware, such as a keyboard, mouse, and touchscreen, facilitate interaction between user and computer system. This function allows user to give instruction and receive response from the computer. Number 4, providing output. Hardware, such as a monitor and printer, allow digital data to be converted into information that can be received by humans, either in visual, printed, or audio form. Example of hardware component. Okay, I will start by telling you what are the hardware component in the internal device. The component include number 1, motherboard, the main circuit board to which all components are connected. Number 2, processor or CPU, the brain of the computer that process data and instruction. Number 3, RAM or random access memory, temporary memory for running application. Number 4, power supply unit or PSU, supplies electrical power to all components. Number 5, VGA card or GPU, process graphic important for gaming and design. Number 6, sound card, manage audio output and input. Number 7, network card or LAN card. Connects the computer to the internet network. Number 8, cooling fan or heatsink. Cools component to prevent overheating. Now, the hardware components that are in external device include number 1, monitor. Display the visual display of the computer. 2, keyboard, typing letters, number, and command. 3, mouse, moving the cursor and navigation. 4, printer, print document. 5, speaker, produce sound or audio. 6, webcam, record video or picture. The last one is the hardware component in the storage device. The component include 1, HDD or hard disk drive, main internet storage, large capacity. Number 2, SSD or solid state drive, fast and shockproof storage. Number 3, NVMe SSD, the fastest type of SSD directly attached to the motherboard. Number 4, CD or DVD, optical storage media used to read and store data using laser beams. Okay, maybe that's all the video review for me. Thank you for watching and see you later.